Ever wondered how high a cat can jump? It's a question that has likely crossed your mind as you've watched a nimble feline effortlessly scale a fence or leap onto a countertop. Cats, with their sleek bodies and powerful hind legs, are designed for leaping. In fact, a cat can jump 6 times its own height. That's equivalent to an average person jumping over a 2-story building. Imagine that for a second. Now, why do cats have this remarkable ability? Well, it's not just for showing off. This leaping prowess serves a vital purpose in a cat's daily life and in the wild. It's a survival mechanism that dates back to their ancestors, allowing them to escape predators and reach safe, high places. But it's not just about safety. In the wild, cats are hunters, and their ability to leap allows them to pounce on their prey with deadly precision. So how exactly do cats manage these impressive jumps? It all comes down to their powerful back legs. Cats have a unique muscular structure that allows them to exert an exceptional amount of force in a single leap. It's like they have inbuilt springs ready to launch them into the air at a moment's notice. But that's not all. Cats also have an exceptional sense of balance thanks to their tail. While in midair, a cat uses its tail as a counterbalance to ensure a perfect landing every time. So not only can they jump high, but they can do it with grace and precision. It's fascinating, isn't it? These seemingly simple creatures that we share our homes with are capable of such extraordinary feats. But it's just a part of what makes cats so captivating. They're not just our pets, they're miniature athletes, living their lives with a grace and agility that leaves us in awe. So, next time you watch a cat leap, remember they're jumping 6 times their own height. And that's just one of the many incredible things about our feline friends. Did you know cats can't taste sweetness? That's right. While we humans relish the taste of a sugary treat, our feline friends are left wondering what all the fuss is about. It's not that they're being finicky or turning up their noses at our sweet offerings. They simply can't detect sweetness at all. The science behind this is fascinating. Cats, unlike humans, are obligate carnivores. This means their bodies are designed to derive nutrients from meat, not plants. Over time, as they evolved to hunt and eat meat, their taste buds changed too. They lost the ability to taste sweetness, a trait typically associated with plant-based foods. In the feline world, taste receptors are geared towards savoring the flavors of protein-rich meals. Cats have specific taste receptors that respond to amino acids, the building blocks of protein. This is why they often prefer a juicy mouse over a bowl of fruit salad. But what about cat food that's flavored with fruits or other sweet ingredients, you might wonder? Well, it's more for the pet parent's peace of mind than for the cat's taste buds. The sweetness in cat food doesn't contribute to the taste from a cat's perspective. Instead, it's the aroma, texture, and temperature of the food that cats find appealing. This unique characteristic of cats has implications for their diet as well. Since they can't taste sweetness, they lack the craving for sugary foods. This is advantageous, as sugar can lead to obesity and other health problems in cats, just like in humans. So the next time you're enjoying a slice of cake and your cat seems interested, remember, it's not the sweetness they're after. It might be the creamy texture or the enticing aroma that's got their attention. So don't bother sharing your dessert with your feline friend, they won't appreciate the sweetness. Ever notice how quiet a cat can be when it's on the prowl? A cat's stealth is not just a result of its graceful agility or its patient, calculated movements. No, there's something more to it, something that's often overlooked. It's all in the paws. A cat's paw, you see, is a marvel of nature's engineering. The design of a cat's paw is specifically tailored to its lifestyle as a predator. You see, a cat's paw is not just a simple appendage, it's a complex structure made up of numerous parts, each with its own function. The most significant of these parts, at least when it comes to stealth, are the soft pads that cover the bottom of each paw. Are cats smarter than dogs? A question that has sparked countless debates among pet enthusiasts. Well, let's dive a bit into the science of it all. Cats, those mysterious, graceful creatures that we share our homes with, have an interesting secret. They possess nearly double the amount of brain neurons compared to dogs. That's right, the feline brain houses approximately 2 billion neurons. Quite impressive, isn't it? But what does this mean exactly? Neurons, or nerve cells, are the basic building blocks of the nervous system. These cells are responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, sending motor commands to our muscles, and transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. So, more neurons could potentially mean more information processing power. In terms of intelligence, this could suggest that cats have a higher capacity for complex thought and problem solving. Ever noticed how your cat seems to figure out how to open that tricky cabinet or appears to know exactly when you're about to leave the house? That's those billions of neurons hard at work. However, it's important to note that intelligence isn't solely determined by neuron count. Other factors like socialization, training, and even individual personality play significant roles. Dogs, for instance, are known for their exceptional social intelligence. They've evolved alongside humans for thousands of years, developing unique skills to read our emotions and communicate with us. Now, this isn't a competition. We're not trying to crown a winner in the battle of the pets. Both cats and dogs bring immense joy and companionship. They each have their unique strengths and quirks that make them the wonderful companions they are. But it's fascinating to think about, isn't it? Our feline friends, often viewed as aloof or independent, might be silently outsmarting us and their canine counterparts in ways we've yet to fully comprehend. So, next time you see your cat solving a puzzle, remember they might just be outsmarting their canine counterparts. Ever wondered why your cat is most active at dawn and dusk? Well, brace yourself for a fascinating feline fact. Our furry friends are what we call crepuscular. This term might sound like it's straight out of a spell book, but it's actually derived from the Latin word crepusculum, meaning twilight. Crepuscular creatures are those who are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. So if you've ever noticed your kitty bouncing off the walls as the sun peeks over the horizon, or zooming around the house when the sun bids its farewell, you've experienced this crepuscular behavior firsthand. But why are cats wired this way? Well, it all comes down to their natural instincts. In the wild, cats are predators, and these twilight hours are perfect for hunting. The lower light levels at dawn and dusk make them less visible to their prey, giving them an edge in the animal kingdom's game of cat and mouse. This behavior is ingrained even in our domesticated house cats. Despite the abundance of food in their bowls, they can't shake off millions of years of evolutionary programming. So when your cat pounces on your toes under the covers at 5 a.m., they're not trying to annoy you. They're just doing what comes naturally, acting on an instinct that's been passed down from their wild ancestors. Moreover, the twilight hours are cooler, which is more comfortable for cats. It's also when many of their potential prey, like rodents and birds, are most active, making it the ideal time to hunt. So next time you're woken up at dawn by your feline friend, remember, they're just following their natural instincts. Even though they might have swapped the wild for your warm, cozy home, they're still creatures of twilight at heart. Don't be too hard on them for their early morning or late evening antics. After all, they're just being the fantastic, fascinating felines that they are. Enjoyed these mind-blowing cat facts? No need to be a scaredy cat if you're hungry for more. By subscribing to our channel, you are not only supporting us to keep shedding light on the most intriguing aspects of our world, but you're also ensuring that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We're constantly prowling the internet and delving into the depths of knowledge to bring you the most fascinating facts about cats, as well as a myriad of other topics. So if you're a curious cat, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of discovery. Let's keep exploring the amazing world around us together. After all, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you.